Alrighty, so associations, we figured that out, or I commented that, and selected field nil. We got rid of the page data thing, but yeah, let's see if we can recreate this from just the comments. Ooh, the comments are kind of nested inside of everything. Let's see. Let's see about. How can I easily get rid of the code and not the comments? I think I'm just going to have to select it by hand. Alrighty, so we had something that keeps track of the text input and the labels that are associated. So this was associations, and initially it was just an empty map, but later it will be a bunch of field names mapped to text indices. Okay, and then we have which field is currently active. Wow, I totally don't remember what the name was. Selected field? Something like that? Selected field. Hey, is that actually right? Selected. Yeah, it looks like that is used in other places. Selected field. Wow, nice. Nailed it, first try. Oh, I actually did have it in the comment right there. Whoops. Selected field. Associations, selected field. Oh, and current page data. That is actually no longer true. So I should take that out and make that part of the commit from above. Let's see. Oh, the value associated with selected field. Which field is selected right now? There is no field selected right now. Let's go make sure that the page loads correctly. Refresh. Alrighty, that looks good. Can I do this? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I broke it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh, Maybe that other change actually did break it. So let's go back here and wait. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to hit save. And then I'm going to go back to the web page and reload it again just to be absolutely sure. Yeah, okay. That's not working. Okay, so let's see if we can figure out why. Bring all that stuff back. Selected field, nil, associations. All right, let's bring back current page data and refresh. Now, oh, what? Current page data. Current page data. This isn't used anywhere. What? But if I delete it, then the page stops working? Let me try that again. Delete, save, go back to the web page, refresh, check, check. Okay, so that was not, it didn't cause an issue. So something else that I did just now caused an issue. So we have associations, which has an empty map, and then selected field, which is nil. I thought that's what I did, but maybe not. Let me get rid of this. And let's see what Git says right now. Git says that that's the only difference, the getting rid of that, which is what I thought. Getting rid of current page data. So the rest of this line looks the same. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to navigate, but I was using keys that are currently bound to other actions right now. So that's why that help popped up just now. Anyway, so yeah, so I removed this from this comment, the current page data, and pages or the code is saved. Go back to the page, reload. Can I select a field and then a label for it? It looks like yes. Okay, so going back to the code, I'm not sure what I did differently just now, but go back to Git and I'll stash or stage that, and then I'll fix up the previous commit, because the previous commit shouldn't have had that field. I deleted it from down here, but I didn't delete it from this description up here, from the comment. So yeah, so we create an atom that is a map. Map has two keys, associations, and selected fields. Selected field. Yeah, I think I can redo this from memory. Let's go which there. Alrighty, and I'll get rid of those. I'll keep those. Keep these comments. And these comments. Okay, get rid of that whole thing. And associations, empty map, and selected field is currently nil. And then let's do that. Well, first let's go back here and refresh. Yeah, I really need to add some tests, so I don't need to keep coming back here. And I can just do this every so often instead of every single time I change anything. Okay, so now do that same thing, but with atom. Atom is going to be, so we're going to create an atom for the app state, and the atom is going to have two keys. One key is going to be the associations, and currently there are none when the app begins. Then there's going to be which field is selected. And again, at the very beginning of the app, there isn't a field selected, so we'll set that to nil. Looks like well, I guess let's double check, go back to the browser, refresh. That all seems to be working. I can hover my mouse over various things, and I can enter select mode and select to associate text with an input field. That all looks good. Okay, so I think I can recreate the entire app state. So we got def once because I think I'm not actually using the def once ability right now, but it makes it so that when the code gets hot reloaded, this variable doesn't keep getting reset to the initial value, I think is all that does. Yeah, so let's get rid of all of the code and try doing it. Def once, typing it all out. Damn it, what was it called? Init state? Wow, I super don't remember. I do remember that it had the word state. App state, that's what it was, okay. Init state, all right. App state, yeah, that makes more sense. Anyway, def once, and we're gonna define that as an atom that takes, or that associates as two keys, associations and selected field. The initial associations map is empty and the initial selected field is nothing. Let's go back to the browser. Did I get it all correct? Hell yeah. Sure did. First try, 0 deaths. Cool. Let's call that done.